Ready to go wild with your baby shower theme? A safari baby shower is full of fun, adventure, and adorable jungle animals. With bold colors, lush greenery, and playful details, this theme is perfect for celebrating your little explorer. Let's dive into safari baby shower ideas that will bring the jungle to life in the sweetest way. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a fun favor idea? Send guests home with safari-themed candles, animal cookies, or mini plants. Wrap them with jungle tags like "Thanks for going wild with us." Favors fitting? Like this if your gifts leave lasting smiles. What food works for a safari baby shower? Serve lion paw cookies, jungle juice punch, and giraffe spot cupcakes. Theme names make ordinary treats fun and memorable for guests. Menu with fun? Like this if your food feels wild and creative. What centerpieces fit safari decor? Use animal figurines, mini potted plants, or lanterns with greenery. Add themed table runners or animal prints to tie the safari adventure together. Table styled? Like this if your centerpieces roar with charm. What about outdoor safari showers? Perfect. Use picnic tables, straw mats, and inflatable animals. Natural greenery outdoors makes the safari theme come alive even more. Outdoors adventurous? Like this if nature sets your party scene. How do I keep the theme balanced? Focus on animal accents and greenery without overloading prints. Keep decor playful yet elegant so the space feels festive and welcoming. Balance achieved? Like this if your safari feels wild but stylish. How do I incorporate greenery into decor? Use faux palm leaves, ivy garlands, or tropical flowers. Greenery creates a jungle-like atmosphere and blends beautifully with safari details. Green and gorgeous? Like this if your space feels wild and fresh. How do I create a safari backdrop? Set up balloon garlands in green and gold, add jungle leaf cutouts, and include plush safari animals. A welcome baby sign finishes the look. Backdrop roaring? Like this if your wall feels photo perfect. How do I choose colors for a safari baby shower? Go with greens, browns, and tans to mimic the jungle. Add accents of yellow, orange, or gold for pops of sunshine and playful safari vibes. Palette ready? Like this if your colors roar with jungle fun. Can I add personalized details? Yes, custom banners with Wild About Baby or baby's name fit perfectly. Personalized signage or animal-shaped place cards add thoughtful detail. Details with love, like this if your decor feels extra special. Can I add games to the safari theme? Yes, try Guess the Animal Sound, Safari Trivia, or a jungle scavenger hunt. Themed activities bring laughter and keep energy high. Games with roar? Like this if your shower feels lively and fun. What invitations fit the safari theme? Pick designs with giraffes, lions, elephants, or zebras. Add tropical leaves or safari trucks with wording like, "A wild one is on the way." Invites on point, like this if your theme begins at the mailbox. How do I style the dessert table? Highlight a safari cake topped with animals or palm leaves. Surround it with candy jars, cupcakes, and cookies that fit the jungle theme. Desserts wild? Like this if your table looks sweet and adventurous. A safari baby shower is adventurous, colorful, and full of charm. With jungle animals, playful details, and cozy touches, it's the perfect way to celebrate your little explorer. Go wild with creativity and make the day unforgettable. Inspired by these safari ideas? Like and return for more creative shower themes.